let me show you guys something real quick. Now that we got a little time, this is kind of cool. So I don't know if you guys have ever used Finviz before. This is Finviz. This is what I use for a lot of stuff. I'll look at like recent news here, stuff like that. But let's say you are looking for birth control, and you come to FEMI and you're like, okay, let's look at FEMI's industry, healthcare, medical instruments and supplies, USA. So as detailed as it gets is medical instrument and supplies. You click on that, you've got 57 results. Maybe one or two of these is actually what you're looking for, but that's as detailed as Finviz is going to give you. So what you can do is you can go in up here, type in birth control. Don't hit enter, hit search. 2 companies in screener. So that means that's in their company profile. It says birth control. YI and FEMI. But if you go to, let's see, what was EVFM? How was that worded? So this is how I find Sympathies, guys. EVFM is worded as like reproductive health. Actually, it's vaginal. So you can even go to reproductive. Search that. 8 companies. Reproductive. FEMI and EVFM are both here. So then you kind of look through, oh, are any of these birth control or any of these contraceptive, and figure it out from there. And then you could go like vaginal was in the other one, so you search that. 10 companies. That's where Dare pops up. Dare's women's health. Vive is women's health. So you can use Finviz for more than just like healthcare and biotech. You can go and type in specifics and get answers for it. So yeah, I don't know if it's going to have that specifically, but we can look. Yeah, so PNC has the word family planning in it. But that's a bank, so that's the only thing. Tava's original Plan B. They have another that was limited by CBS. Yeah. But yeah, that's how I find my Sympathies. So if something's running based on Alzheimer's, and you don't want to go specifically to healthcare, you can go type in, and I'm gonna screw this up, I'm sure. Is that how you spell it? No. I think that's right. Yeah, there you go. 47 companies. And then you can go to under $10.
TINB.
Then you go ownership, and you can sort it by float. There's your low float Alzheimer's stocks, under $10.
BRDS. YSG.
So this is just a quick, rundown of Finviz, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I'm trying to think of something else that's common, like breast cancer. Breast cancer is pretty common. So breast cancer search. 64 companies found in company profile. So there's your breast cancer companies.
PSH.
Under $10. Sort by float.
MDGS.
And you can sort by price too. MGS News. Agreement or something. So yeah, there's 3 pages worth of breast cancer. So that's pretty much how you pull that off. You can do a lot of stuff with here, but most of the time I just use price, and you go to ownership for float. But yeah, there you go.